What if I told you that your entire life could change by focusing on just one thing? Not 10 things, not 5, just one. Most people believe success is about doing more, hustling harder, and checking off endless to-do list. But what if that is a lie? The truth, extraordinary results are directly determined by how narrow you can make your focus. Welcome to the secret that ultra productive people know. And now it is your turn to learn it. The One Thing by Gary Keller, co-founder of Keller Williams Realty, is not just another productivity book. It is a clarity indexing, myth busting manual for success. This book is not about doing more. It is about doing less, but doing what matters most with complete dedication. It answers one powerful question that can change everything. What is the one thing I can do such that by doing it everything else will be easier or unnecessary? Let's break it down chapter by chapter into the most powerful principle that will reshape the way you work, live and succeed. Before we can talk about extreme productivity, we need to unlearn the lies we have been taught. First, everything matters equally. Not all tasks are created equal. The 80-20 rule, purity principle, show us that 20% of the effort produces 80% of the result. So stop treating your to-do list like a grocery list. Instead, turn it into a success list, a filtered set of priority tasks. Second, multitasking work. Multitasking is a myth. Your brain cannot focus on two cognitively demanding tasks at once. Every switch costs you time and energy. The truth, multitasking is merely task switching, and it makes you dumber and slower. Third, willpower is always on will call. Willpower is not a focus you can turn on at will. It is a finite resource that depletes throughout the day. So, do your one thing early when your willpower is strongest. For a disciplined life, you don't need to be ultra disciplined, just long enough to build a habit. Success is about building the right habit through focused discipline. 5. Big is bad. Don't fear big goal. Thinking small lead to mediocrity. Big goal create big focus, and big focus lead to big success. The heart of the book lies in this one question. What is the one thing I can do such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? This is not just a question. It is a filter, a compass, and a productivity weapon. Ask it daily. Ask it about your business, your health, your relationship, your learning. And don't just ask it, answer it with specificity. Success is like a domino run. When you focus your energy on knocking down the first most important domino, it creates momentum. Research have found a domino can knock down another domino 50% larger than itself. That is exponential growth. Your job, find your lead domino, the one thing that starts the chain reaction. You don't find time, you make it. The most productivity people use time blocking. Block 4 hours every day for your one thing. Treat it like a doctor appointment, non-negotiable. Protect it, prioritize it, use it for your highest impact activities. Want to write a book, learn a skill, start a business, then block the time. This is how the pros do it. The productivity path is built on 3 layers. First, purpose. Now, your why. What drives you? What legacy do you want to leave behind? Second, purity. From your purpose, set priorities. Use the one thing question to discover your top priority. Third, productivity. Take consistent, focused action on that priority. Use time blocking to lock it in. Say no to everything else. This model is the key to living a life of meaning and momentum. Every yes to something unimportant is a no to your one thing. The best performer guard their time. They eliminate distraction, phone, email, social media, and say no to anything that does not serve their highest priority. Learning to say no is one of the most powerful skills you can master. Success is not overnight. It is a journey of mastery. When you align your daily action with your one thing, you build momentum, you reinforce identity based habit, you move from being busy to behind effective. Each day become a step toward greatness. The one thing is not just a productivity strategy. It is a life philosophy. It helps you take control of your time. Live by design, not by default. Focus on what truly matters. Eliminate overwhelm. When you know your one thing and commit to it, you gain clarity, freedom, and power. So, what is your one thing? Not 10 things, not 5, just one. Find it, focus on it, block time for it, protect it with your life. Because when you do the one thing, everything else become easier or unnecessary. If this summary help you, imagine what lying it could do. Reread the one thing, apply the question daily, and remember success is built sequentially. It is not about doing everything, it is about doing the right thing. The one thing. Thank you so much.